pair of linear equations into वेरिएबल्स। आज करेंगे एक्सरसाइज 3.1। तो दिस इज द जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ a1x plus b1y plus c is equal to 0, a2x b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a, b, c not equals to 0 and c's x and y are variables. Now, if you plot these two equations in the graph, you see three situations. If you plot these two equations in the graph, you will see three situations. Either the two lines intersect at one point, either the lines are parallel or third situation is lines are coincident. General form. In 9th class you have studied only one pair of linear equations. Now if you plot these two equations together in a graph, either you intersect at one point, lines are parallel, lines are coincident. Now we can tell you when the lines are intersect, when the lines are parallel and when the lines are coincident. By using table you can understand easily. Suppose I take one equation, here I write equations, 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0, 5x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. Here you find a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2. Here you find the ratios of a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2. See here a1 is 2 upon 5, b1 is the coefficient of y and b2 is the coefficient of y of another equation, minus 1, constant term minus 4 upon minus 5. Now here you see that a1 upon a2 not equals to b1 upon b2. These two not equals 2 upon 5 not equals 3 upon minus 1. If these conditions are there, if this type of situation is there, it means it is intersecting lines and one solution or unique solution, or we call it consistent equation and independent. Now if I take another set, suppose I take 2x plus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0, 4x plus 6y plus 12 is equal to 0. Here you see that a1 upon a2, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 6, 6 upon 12. Here you see that all the ratios will 1 by 2, 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 1 by 2. When all a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2 all are equal, a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2, it means coincident lines will overlap. Coincident lines. How many solutions? Infinitely many solutions. Last condition third. If I take x plus 2y minus 4, 2x plus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0, x 1 upon 2, 2 upon 4, it also becomes 1 by 2 minus 4 by minus 7. Here you see that 1 by 2 equals to 1 by 2 not equals to 4 upon 7. So here condition comes a1 upon a2 equals b1 upon b2 not equals c1 upon c2. This type of situation arises, it means lines are parallel, no solutions. If a1 upon a2 not equals to b1 upon b2, intersecting lines, इसको बोलते हैं consistent lines. Coincident lines are also consistent. Or in this condition is a1 upon a2 equals b1 upon b2 equals c1 upon c2. Coincident lines, infinitely many solutions, and it is called consistent lines because it gives solution. And 1 upon 2 equals 1 upon 2 not equals 4 upon 7. It means first two ratios are equal and third one are not equal. Lines are parallel, no solution. It is called inconsistent lines. It is called inconsistent line. Now we will show it graphically in exercise 3.1. 3.1 we will start. Question first, 3.1. Aftab tells his daughter 7 years ago. Aftab 7 years ago I was 3 times. So here we arrive to situation. Aftab, let the age of Aftab be x years and daughter age be y years. Aftab tells his daughter 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. So according to question ATQ, 7 years ago means both sides we will minus x minus 7, y minus 7. 7 years ago, how many times Aftab old? 7. So when we equating the equation, we have to multiply 7 on the daughter side. So we balance the equation. Now second situation arises. I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. So after 3 years, आफ्ताब x plus 3 डॉटर y plus 3 3 साल बाद x plus 3 y plus 3 I shall be 3 times old. कितना बड़ा था ये 3 times आफ्ताब. So we multiply daughter side 3. So this the algebraically we make two equations according to the question. 7 years ago Aftab is 7 times old, so we multiply daughter side. 3 years from now Aftab is 3 times old, so we multiply daughter side. Now see here, x minus 7 is equal to 7y minus 49. So x minus, turn y this side, x minus 7y and 49 is plus minus 7, it becomes plus 42 is equal to 0. Now second equation, x plus 3, give this first name, x plus 3 is equal to 3y plus 9. 9 turn this side and y turn this side, you will get x minus 3 minus 6 is equal to 0. This is the second equation. Now we plot these two equations in the graph. So for first equation we make a table x and y. If I take in this equation x is equal to 0, so what y becomes, if I take x is equal to 0, तो क्या हो जाएगा, minus 7y is equal to minus 42. 42 को उधर ले जाएंगे तो y कितना हो जाएगा 6. Substitute it again. If we put substitute x 0 and y 6, तो minus 42 plus 42 0. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now take any other point. If I take x is equal to 5, अगर मैं 5 ले रहा हूं x को, तो what 49 is equal to 7y. 5 plus 42. If I take x is equal to 5, it becomes 47 होगा. तो I will take x is equal to 7. I will take x is equal to 7. तो 7 plus 42 कितना हो गया? 49 is equal to 7y. So 7 sevens are 49. Y is also 7. Put these two equations. 49 minus 49 plus 7. So minus 49 plus 49 is 0. So these 2 points satisfy the equation 1. 0 and 6, 7 and 7 satisfy the point 1. Now I take 2 points, at least we take 2 points to draw the straight line. For second equation, x, y. Now see here, if I take x0 ले लिया तो y कितना हो जाएगा, x0 ले लिया तो minus 3y is equal to 6. तो y is equal to minus 2. If I take y is equal to 0, तो x is equal to क्या हो जाएगा 6. You check. If you substitute it here, right hand side becomes 0. Check. 0 plus 6 minus 6 0. 6 put करेंगे तो कितना आएगा, x को 6 minus 6 0 y 0. So now we plot these two equations on the graph. See here, you draw on graph paper. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Now first point 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 centimeter, 5, 6. Scale we have to decide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First point is x0, y6, 0, 6. It is ordered pair. First we take x point. 7, 7. 7 is here and 7 is here. 7, 7. Here it is 7 comma 7. Now join these 2 points. This is the equation of the line x minus 7y plus 42 is equal to 0. Now second equation, x is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 2. Minus 1 minus 2. 0 comma minus 2 and 6 comma 0. Join these 2 points. These are the 2 lines. This is x minus 3y minus. This completes the first question. Graphically we have to show. When we extend it, somewhere it will intersect. Now question number 3 of this.